Finish up uyazi khamba like away.
My story, brother, how's it? How's everything? How's everything? It feels good to be here.
Right.
Oh man, I last saw you Durban July last year. It's been a while, my brother.
So isikhathi eside uyazi impilo
Sure.
silwa nayo mara ngiyajabula manje kubona usasiyongiqemana.
Personal, it's all good to always be welcomed by you wherever you are. Hey, to so much respect and appreciation to what you did the last time you came for a haircut.
Sure.
You drove to Waterloo, to such a humble township, and to what you know, I'm gonna go and see Uslaka myself. Thank you very much, Fesa. Thank you very much. Really appreciated that. Really appreciated that. It shows a lot from your character of how humble you are, Wuti. If you have a relationship, you make sure that you maintain it in any way. I appreciate it, brother Stokey.
Thank you. Like us.
So how's 2025 been?
Angiphethe kahle so far.
Sure.
Ngize ngikhale kangako, understand?
Sure.
Yeah, lokho kuncane lokho ngikutholayo kumele ngikubonge, yabo. Cause uma ngingabongi izinto zigcina zivaleke kakhulu.
Sure, no.
Cause but yazi amalanga awafani. Sometimes kubuye kubhede nama gigs angatholakala uhlale Friday, Saturday ungasebenzi, Saturday uthole Sunday uthole something, yabo. So manje kubela ngokhale cause amalanga njalo kumele ahlala khona life in, understand?
No, exactly.
Ukuze nawe uzokwazi ukuthi akukhulise, akwenze nokuthi ube strong, nemali noma uyiphethe ungayuse like ungadlali ngemali, understand?
No, I get you. I definitely get you, my
Sure.
brother. No, we just took a lot of gem from that because hey, Fes, we kufika phela ikhathi la whereby sibone ngathi shakwenzeke and we feel like giving up. So if it comes from a genius in the music industry like the Amapiano curator Stokey or Superman, it's so meaningful. So going back to your upbringing, you were born in Soweto, early years of the 80s. How was it for you? Was it the same time of apartheid or mhlambe apartheid ufike nje isibhane down?
Hayi shooting ikhehla kaMampela ke so ngamapartheid. Hayi bengekho ngeapartheid. Ngikho umdala kangaka. Thina sifike ukuthi siyiphile apartheid sesiyakwazi nje ukuphila, understand?
Sure.
Yeah, just nje kulo music osiyenzayo obizwa ukuthi ipiano.
Sure.
Ipiano vele ngekho ngaleso sikhathi.
Sure.
Vele ngekho music book like music konke bokhona but ipiano vele ngekho. Nami uqala kwami ukuthanda music. Vele ngathi like ukuthanda music ukuthi inyanga udlala lo ngidlala deep house.
Sure.
Deep house, soulful house. Sidlala nekwaito kanjalo, understand?
Sure.
Until ke kungena ipiano but nakhona ipiano ukuze lingene bekunezinye ingoma ukuthi ezinye bekuyingoma za overseas.
Sure.
But bezithi mazidlala buza ukuthi sound yakhona bene piano. So until lo music so nikeza igama so rename sithi amapiano.
Piano base.
Yeah, kwaba namanye ama producer like of Da Capo.
Sure.
Abo Brazo Africa. Abo Tulane the Warrior.
Sure. So during that time, I think you before the hip hop scene, you entered a competition on YFM back in 2006.
Yeah.
So tell me about it. Was it during the era of the house music that you're speaking about?
Ngaleso sikhathi ipiano vele ngakangeni.
Sure.
Vele ngakangeni.
Sure.
And that time YFM kuze ngile lo competition besiyuza ama vinyl.
Sure.
Ama vinyl ama LP. Besiyuza wona. So that time besidlala house music.
House music.
Yeah, besidlala house music.
Sure.
Yeah, so ngayiwina competition benyuza ama vinyl. Yeah.
Sure. No, that's great, man. Because music is not something that just came now. Yeah, well,
sure.
It's something that's being universal, and it's something that really translates our feelings and express people's emotion. So, Petu, your journey has been something that a lot of people that they've had the opportunity to draw inspiration from, to learn from. Your humbleness, as we were speaking about how you just drove to Waterloo. So ekhuleni kwakho, what did you aspire to become before you had this passion for music? Bufisa mhlawumbe ukuthi mawuqede esigele ufuna ukuyofunda, or you had another different path opposed to le okufunda as a young guy coming up from Soweto?
Ayikele iqiniso mina inasilaq. Obvious wonke umntana ne unesifiso sakhe ukuthi mangicede isikole mina ngifuna ukuba yini. Mina bengifuna ukuba yipilot mina. Sure. I wanted to be a pilot, you understand? Sure. So ukukhuleni kwami okay shoot kahle ngasho ngithi bengiphiwe into music.
Sure.
You understand? Bengiphiwe into music. So isikole azangasiceda ngagcina vele ku grade 12 vele, you understand?
Sure.
Well nasendlini bengekho sharp kangako, you understand? Ukabona nama parents aware like abekho phambi kwakho, you understand? Sokuthi umamuli ubaba ushonile into ezinjalo, uyathola. So manje nawe ukwazi ukuthi concentrate kahle, you understand, into ezinjalo sokuthi nasendlini akukho home ngalondlela leyo, you understand?
Ukuthi ukwazi ukuphupha freely, so be inspired.
So impilo bengekho is like beku tough wona silaxa ukutshela iqiniso.
Sure stock.
Beku tough, so ngasho ngithi music into ukuthi ngasho ukuthi ngiyiphiwa uNkulunkulu nabantu basekhaya, you understand? Ukuthi lento le iyezokuphilisa ngesikhathi njengoba ingiphilisa kwamanje, you understand? So mina engeneni kwami ku music angiyenzanga lento ngoba bengijahele mhlawumbe imali or imali benganandaba nayo ngoba vele nasendlini bengekho, you understand? Like ngiyangize ngisho ngithi umuntu ewajwayela imali angijwayelanga, bengayijwayelanga. So ngangena kuyo ukuthi lento mangayazi mhlambe ngelinye ilanga izongibeka somewhere. By the way ngiyenza ngothando, bengayenzi nje ngoba ngibona ubani uDJ bani. And that time besibheke kubo DJ Ganyane, yabona labo DJ abakhulu la, you understand? So ngaphusha ngidlala emishadweni, yabona kuma unveiling kuphekuphi ngineyipikanya ngine computer kanjalo, you understand?
And so by that time, at that time were you already DJ Stocky, or just was also no I kunalo mfana from that house or DJ? Now where did the name brand Stocky come from?
Obviously igama la DJ Stocky livela selivela manje. Neba kubiza njengegama ukuthi Stocky uya DJ. Neba ngalibeki kanje ukuthi DJ Stocky. You understand? Because nabantu abaningi kade bangakulandeleli bangakakwazi busatry ukuthi na uzikhulise, you understand? Busatry ukuthi ngizikhulise nabantu awuStocky umfana lapha uthanda music into ezenjalo. So ngithe mangidrop esikoleni ke kula sengifaka khona effort yami yonke ku music, you understand? But ngaleso sikhathi benganamali lokuthi ngithenge equipment. Mhlambe makune Hotman la kulesa strat esingane bathi une sound senyogova lapho ngisebenzela yena, understand? Wabona sometimes ngelanga udlala ama gig ayi3, udlala i2 gig ama gig ayi2, ubuyendlini lo muntu ukunika 200 sometimes akakuniki next. Uyathola mina ngibheke na akunankinga azilong ngizenzela le nto le and ngisave yangikhipha nase stratini, you understand? Ukuthi lo muntu uchache emalini wenzani bengase business yami.
When you just went there
mina ngilento ngifuna ukuyazi, you understand? Ngifuna ukuyazi, so ayiqale kanjalo nasilaxa till manje,
until manje zifike manje.
Yabona zange kubelula total ngikutshela iqiniso dani manje. Manje izinto sezisimple, you understand?
No, but it get better with time. I always tell myself with the people close to me, it can only get better. You can only look for better days, and fortunately ngomusa uNkulunkulu and your elders, the better days have came, because like right now you have a gig at Rockets, yabona. So maintaining the lifestyle of being ubaba umbatha and Stocky wabantu, in the industry we come across situations where brands grow and haphazardly they are not able to blend the two lifestyles. So for you, brother Stocky, how have you been able to maintain uStocky and ubaba umbatha?
Mina ngasho ngithi endlini nasestradini ne into efanayo silaxa. Mina like ngasho ngithi umuntu ophansi, you understand? give me change ngeke uzuyibona, you understand, and ngeke uzuyifile, you understand, ukuthi hayi mhlambe estradini ukanje endlini ukanje, you understand, estradini obviously kune family lapho, you understand, so lo stoki ombona estradini ulo stoki lo ombona nasendlini straight eJardini, you understand, like angichenchanga ngomuntu ukuthi uphansi, ayengize ngithi mhlambe mangise estradini quiet mangifika estradini ngomuntu ukuthi mhlambe ulastar kakhulu wenza into ezisnacks, you understand, angenza into ezisnacks, umuntu okham nje, umuntu oziphethe kahle okhona nokubona ngikwazi ukuthi ngizikhuze, you understand, kwezinye izinto ukuthi ama into kanje ongayenzi into into enezinjalo, so angisulo umuntu lo ukuthi mhlambe ngasho ngithi hayi ngayithu stupid izinto hayi. Sure.
Your brand is evidence to that, Veto. Because as DJs, as entertainers, as personalities, reflect ngomlomo. And trust me, brother, hey, I have respect for your character. You respect for your character. One of the most humble DJs who are celebrated internationally. Speaking about international energy, you've been touring and gigging outside of the country. So if you can just say, like, how has the South African market grown to reach amazwe angaphandle, and where you received the same way esikthanda ngayo nje phela masikubona lana sithi awukhuzeki. Does that happen like when you go to Netherlands, when you go to UK? Is that the same energy or the same feeling that you get from people that you have as your fans?
Ngikutshele wena Silaxa, ngasho ngithi into eyi-one, because labantu engibadlalelayo e-UK, e-London, yonke le ndawo engihambayo, abantu ukuthi bayolandelela umusic wami. Besides ukuthi ngaphandle ukuthi umusic wami kuphela, abantu ukuthi lo music wamapiano bayolandelela.
Yeah.
Understand, labantu bazi wonke ama artists, you understand, wonke ama producer ukuthi le ekabani yethola nokwacula, you understand, sebaze bayakwazi nokwacula, you understand. And kakhulu abantu abasupportayo abantu ngasho ngithi abantu base-Africa. Because abantu base-Africa yibo abagcwele boma UK, yibo abagcwele kakhulu, understand. So bayasazi, so le feeling engiyithola ngapha eSouth Africa nanoma nge-UK or nge-Africa, i-feeling engiyithola because bayawazi lo music labo namanje. Last week Saturday bengiseZambia.
Yes, yeah.
Labantu bazonke amaculo.
Yes.
Ngize ngafeel ukuthi kuyazifanela kuba ngathi ngise-South Africa. Lonke iculo engilifakayo bayalazi ngaphandle ukuthi basengidlala la ma-exclusive. Bayawajayivela nawo but abawazi, but i-energy engiyitholile laphaya iyazifanela ne-energy yangapha, you understand, and yangale more kakhulu, you understand, because manje ngisuke ngibazwise nenye sound ukuthi abayazi. Sure. Ngoba lo music uqala la eSouth Africa, wenziwa la eSouth Africa futhi. Bona ngale izinto ukuthi mhlawumbe bayazicabuka, you understand. Ezinye bazozibazizwe kuma TikTok, if bangayizwanga ku TikTok akunala bazoyizwa khona.
So it always feels new and fresh.
Yeah.
Sure. So kufana nanokuthi masujwayele kini ukuthi kuphekwa ngocurry powder obabayo. Mawufika uze ucurry powder sweet kamakhelwane, you'd be shocked. Yeah, boy, you'd be amazed. No, I definitely get you, my brother. And yeah, it's so beautiful how the Amapiano genre has evolved and grew into just cementing a future for the young kids, because that's what it did. I mean, I always tell myself, I appreciate the Amapiano curators because they didn't like endorse the genre for the sake of keeping it to them. Yabo sangathi silala manje stock esivuke sekune hit yomfana esingamazi ukuthi uqhamukapi akhuphuke, and the industry appreciate them. I'm gonna quickly ask you a question that I'm no bad intentions, just in to check on ukuthi the people that you like, the vocalists that you worked with on your last project Immortal. You worked with Umahu, and you worked with Emo. Yeah, it's your songs. Wonke Amastoki singles. Washani Aukhuzeli with that lady that is so beautiful. Zinhle. Yes. So with vocalist, who would you say like you highly enjoyed working with? Kubelula to that extent ukuthi no lo muntu mfethu ufika e-studio vele seyazi into asezoyenza. Like umuntu abantu ababasha ama-take awodwa uzasha i-take eyodwa and they just done and the song is done and dusted. Who's that one artist you've worked with vocally?
Female, male, both.
Yeah, both.
Ayi ikunabantu abanzima la ngapha. Abana abantu abafana nabo Talionga, abo Mromba Peach.
Sure.
Abo Setril.
Sure.
Ubani ntoni abo Azania.
Sure.
Zinhle.
Sure.
Labo bantu labo man. Like bakwenzela umsebenzi wakho ube simple.
Sure.
Because asabantu ukuthi bazolivele baphethe iballpen, balivele babhala, balivele bacabanga bayenzani. You understand?
Sure.
Bafast lo muntu lo umamela nje i-beat.
Sure.
Uyamamela asishaye. Ukuyishaya kuyi one take. Abuye number 2 number 3 sekaqedile. Uyayibheka sekaqedile. Into simple. Then khona labo ukuthi izoba mnandi naleyo ngoma but thatha isikhathi ngoba usabhala bhala. Yabona uDalionga should yonke into like hand.
Sure.
You understand? Uyisha simple labo setril yonke ka kuyamamela. You understand? Mhlawumbe ngakuphindela iculo kayi3 alimamela instrument leyo. La ngena khona uyahamba
one time
and une show ukuthi le izoba mnandi. Yabona kufana no Azania bengiqala ukusebenza naye. I think na 3 songs or 4 songs naye.
Sure.
Mare azaka unreleased.
Yeah. We first said it on the Baba Show. Azania DJ Stoki coming soon.
Yeah, coming soon.
Sure.
Yeah, izophuma ku album yami izophuma I think October.
Issue.
Yeah, nginalbum izayo October.
What's the title if it's there already?
Besingahlanganisi next. Ngizobuza wena masiqeda la mhlawumbe nganginika into right.
Ungasabi.
Yeah, izotholakala lapho no Azania, no Russell Zuma again.
Sure.
Nabantu abaningi but ayikapheli ngisase busy nyana hasila ukuthi ngithola abanye ama vocalist. Wona khona abanye ama vocalist but sometimes ngisanokutswafa ukuthi ngisebenze ngomuntu ukuthi ngisebenze naye ku first album ku Seattle.
Sure, no ngiyathola.
Yeah, so ngiyatry ukuthi ngasile ngithola abanye abantu ukuthi ngiyaqala ukubabona yabo. Kuba nzima because sometimes umuntu usanoku DM or sometimes umuntu akutshele ngomngane wakho kwazi ukucula makafika lapha kubhede manje ngeke umtshele ukuthi kuyabheda thola ukuthi kuyistike bo 3 hours yonke.
Sure.
You understand? So ngenhlanhla usanokumthola umuntu right yabona. So ngisazama but leso kulesikhathi enginaso ngizomthola umuntu ngizwathola ama vocalist right amanye. Yeah, yathola.
No sifisa inhlanhla.
Ukuthi introduce abantu ukuthi abaziwa, you understand?
Sure. No, but it's so amazing how you've evolved and how you continue evolving, releasing new music, new projects. Because man, cataloging is very important. We build it because as much as we would appreciate more with the latest, but it feels more meaningful. Masses or something that you've been working on. So talking about like the music that you're gonna be releasing, no biggie. Kunalento ye notion ukuthi ama producers are not involved. Ama DJs are not involved in the creations of ingoma. Some people note it as ukuthi no aba producer bathenga ingoma. But man, mina ngendlela engiunderstand ngayo the production of music, and we spoke about it on a previous episode of how you started producing music. Irolo idlalayo on the making of the hits that you've been releasing is something that cannot be questioned. So with the upcoming project, which like guys like the engineers, the producers that you're also going to be working with, and just to mention a few guys the young guys, especially that you've also worked with on like the formation of your brand and your music?
Kule album le engizoyikhipha manje October. Abantu engisebenza nabo abafew nje.
Sure.
Intwana zami is under mina, is under exclusive music.
Sure.
Which is exclusive music. Ilokhuza ne record company yami, record label yami.
Sure.
So ba under mina. So we know London she's from Polokwane.
Sure.
Yeah, but uhlala nami lapha eKasi.
Sure.
Then ngibe no Nana futhi ama unknown. Makaziwa makama unknown.
Sure.
Then ngibe no Manando.
Sure.
Yeah, ngibe no Neo. Uneo yena udlala ama chords, udlalela ama chords.
Sure.
Yeah, so amajita yiyo engibhizi ngawo nawo ukuthi ayanginceda understand ukuthi ngenze album yami. But ekungincedeni kwabo hayi ukuthi ingoma maziphuma zizobhala DJ Stoki only.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So wonke umuntu ongincede ngale ngiyamcredita kule way ngisebenza ngakhona. And ukumcredita kwami fana nokuthi ngiyamkhuphula naye. You understand? Angeke ingoma ivele ithi DJ Stoki unless if khona ngiyenze ngi1 total. But if sizoyisebenza sonke lo album le mawukhona Slaqa track number 1 DJ Stoki and Slaqa. Number 2 DJ Nana and kanjalo. Number 3 DJ Van. You understand kanjalo? Yeah, iba kanjalo. Then nabo bazothola ipercentage yabo which is kunemali abazoyithola ebuya from via kuma royalties. You understand? Bazirejistela bayenzalo kunemali abazoyithola. You understand?
No man, that's
So lento le inceda namajita. So ngiyawuzwa kunezinkulumo vele ukuthi le ayenzwanga DJ Bani yenzo bani like amajita ayuza lentwana ezincane in you understand? So khona ukuthi amajita awaziwa total Slaqa.
sure.
Awaziwa total wena at least kune income yana engenayo kuwe lento nanoma ukuthi awuyazi ngaleyo ndlela leyo but uyayazi, you understand? Then mele uthole amajita ozosipana nawo.
Sure.
So ukuthi uthenge equipment uthole indlu amajita ahlale lapha ama cost wonke akabana wakho.
Sure.
Angithi labafana abahlala lapho kufanele ukuthi abafana bakho ba under wena.
Sure.
Uyimali yokudla uyimali yani makafuna ukugunda ucela wena makafuna yethola makagula umukusha ku doctor makayethola
Sure, ngiyayithola.
because now we are trying to invest, you understand?
Sure.
So abakaziwa, so umuntu owaziwayo Slaqa, you understand?
Sure, ngiyayithola.
Uslaqa but ukuthi akakwazi kuyenza kahle lento.
Sure.
But ukuze iyenzeke kufuneka lama amajita lawa.
Sure.
So yenziwe into ihlangana. But now Slaqa une input lapho because
Sure.
uyaba director ukuthi esidala ku industry lento ngifuna ukuthi ibe kanje.
Sure.
Ibe kanjalo lento leyo. Mase seyihlangane seyikanjalo kuba sengathi wena so user lento lencane in but uyazikhuphula.
Sure.
Because umuntu nomuntu kumele ukuthi aqale somewhere.
Sure.
You understand?
Exactly.
Uqala somewhere, you understand?
Yeah.
Because yonke ingoma ephumayo iyephuma ithi Slaqa and bani.
And bani.
So la leyo muntu uzobonakala nini. You understand?